Hello everyone, let me show you how you can differentiate this concocted radical trigonometric expression. We're asked to differentiate the square root of cosine x plus the square root of cosine x plus the square root of cosine x. You can see it keeps on going forever. We don't know when it is going to stop. The first thing we would like to do here is to let the whole of this concocted radical expression to be something else. We can let it to be equal to y. We have not started differentiating yet. Now we can square both sides in order to get rid of this outermost square root. If you square this, then you square this. You know this is going to cancel this. So you have y squared equal to cosine of x. But just observe, this is going to be a repetition of what we started with as y. Yes. So therefore, this is just going to be plus y. Now we are going to differentiate. Differentiate y squared, you're going to get 2y, right? The 2 will drop down to multiply. You reduce the 2 by 1, it becomes 1. But remember that y is a dependent variable. You have to multiply by dy over dx equal to, you differentiate cosine x, you're going to get what? Negative sine x. Negative sine x. You differentiate y, you get 1. But multiply by dy over dx since it is a dependent variable. Now let us bring those with dy over dx to the left. Bring this one, it becomes negative. You have 2y dy over dx. As that crosses over, it becomes negative dy over dx. And this is equal to negative sine x. What do we have in common between these two terms? Dy over dx. Bring it outside. Dy over dx. Inside here you have 2y. 2y, right? The minus 1 equals negative sine x. Finally, divide both sides by 2y minus 1. And here we have it. Dy over dx is finally equal to negative sine x divided by what? 2y minus 1. The only thing I'm not going to do is back substitution, because remember that y is the whole of this concocted expression, which means that the concocted expression is here, which is y times 2. So you take the whole of this, you multiply by 2, you minus 1. But please, we don't have more space to back substitute the whole of this. But that is how it should be. It's supposed to be 2 times the whole of square root of y cosine x plus square root of cosine x plus square root of cosine x. That is our y, then minus 1. Yes, simple as that.